Stefanie Girard here, and I want to show you the latest and greatest thing in button jewelry. It is these wonderful little strips of faux leather. They come in lots of different colors, an orange, black, a taupe, red, and this beautiful pink, which is what I'm going to show you how to work with today. In the kit, it comes with these little knob closures. They screw on, so no special tools needed. In addition to the knob with the screw, it comes with these fun little easy to use button clips. That's how the buttons get attached to the bracelet. So step one is take your little screw knob and put it through one of the holes at either end. These are symmetrical, so it doesn't matter. And put it through the back to the front and take the top, the part with the little knob, and simply screw it on. Could that be any easier? Next step is you want to arrange your buttons in a pattern you find pleasing. Now the kit comes with beautiful novelty buttons in all sorts of shapes and characters like little kittens, fish, little rubber duckies. I think I'll start with the ducky on this one. And you can start from left to right, or you can arrange what you like. In this case, I did a whole variety. Simply put the button from the front to the back and put the shank, that's what that little loop is called, on the back of a button. Grab one of your little clips, take the long straight edge and simply pop it in. Could that be any easier? I don't think so. Now you can arrange your buttons so that they go lengthwise, or you can put them so they go oriented in one particular direction. Once you have them all on there, then simply you can put them on your wrist, take the empty loop at the end, the hole, and pop it in the hole. Isn't that amazing? Now, the best part about this is you can simply pop off the little clips, it's not permanent, and rearrange your buttons, swap them out. It's a great way to take your stash of buttons and make different arrangements. This one happens to feature candy and cupcakes and little hearts. This one uses a variety of other buttons, big giant focal buttons they work great with, shiny rhinestones, all sorts of fun things. Here, this one is black and gold. This one happens to be red and gold, and I love actually wearing several at once. They look kind of fun. I think I mix a taupe one with it, and that gives a nice chunky look on my wrist, which I happen to be a big fan of. Well, I hope you like this great button bracelet project that requires no special tools or skills, and you'll give it a try.